Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back in my room. We are going to be watching 2020 FESTA BTS Airplane Part 2 summer version. This just dropped. Like I said before in my previous video, I have been trying to catch up on everything that I can possibly catch up on because I was out of the US on a family emergency thing that had to be taken care of. So I am back in the States and I've missed on a lot of different things. But today's video, nonetheless, is some BTS because you know I love me some BTS. So let's go ahead and watch this. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, Jungkook with that hair, I love that color on him. He looks so good. Is Sugar smacking him? Like, V looks so good with headbands and bandanas. Oh my god, those glasses on Jin are so funny. BTS are clowns. They're so awesome. Oh my goodness, Toby and V. JK. Ooh, RM. You can clearly tell their personalities in the video. Sugar's staring. Also, Sugar looks really good with the headband. Where are they at? Like, it's kind of, I don't know where they at. Hawaii? I don't know. It's really nice. Oh my gosh, RM bringing that duck inflatable. We have like something on the neck. These guys are insane. This is probably one of my first songs I've ever listened to. Oh gosh. That I ever listened to from BTS. It's like one of the first songs. He goes, my baby. I love me Sugar, y'all know this. The swag this man he carries himself with. Hey, hey. Got a butterfly. And the glasses are fire. The freaking chair. This man brought a freaking chair in the background. Worldwide handsome. No. The freaking rubber ducky. Where's V? He just up and left the group. Okay, guys. So that was 2020 FESTA BTS Airplane Part 2. This is actually my first FESTA, so I don't know what to expect from it. But yeah, I'm excited and I can't wait for more BTS content because y'all know I love BTS. In terms of Suga's mixtape, I have heard it already and seen Dichita already. So I did not make a reaction to it because I'm a little selfish. When it comes to Suga, I like to just, I feel like Suga's music and his own stuff, like as August D, it's very different than BTS, and it's like its own separate thing. And I feel like for August D, I always have to sit down and like take every song and read the lyrics and feel the beat and feel the rhythm and feel his like emotion and himself through the lyrics and the music. So it's kind of difficult to do a reaction to that when like this man, I feel like just understands me on a personal level, even though he doesn't know who I am, but I feel like I can relate to him on a personal level. So that's why I didn't do a reaction, if that makes sense. It's just that some things I want to keep to myself, and August D is something that I want to keep to myself. So but yeah, but BTS, I'm excited. I already bought the Con ticket thing on Weverse already because I'm ready for that. But yeah, till next time, guys, let me know down below what other videos you want me to watch, and I will totally do that. Go ahead and comment down below. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I sometimes make videos just because I'm bored, or I want to do something to kind of ease my mind about everything that's going on around us. But yeah, thank you to those who've already subscribed to my channel and are giving me amazing feedback and stuff to go off. You guys are awesome. I love ya. Until next time, guys. Bye.